But why do I think Bruce Mr. Music is the serious contender for season 16? Huh? Why? Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo wa Gingrikan with me, Mandela Gere Gingrikan wa Kamashaba. Kinzishunel kwa mi joining Halen wa Nkanelo wa Gingrikan. Thank you very much, guys. So I'm still talking about the season 16 Idols South Africa. Today I want to talk about Bruce Mr. Music. What a guy. I already love him. Actually, he's my favorite already. I feel like the guy has everything that can make him a winner for this season. So I feel like he's a title contender. Serious title contender. Bruce Mr. Music is a 21-year-old guy from Richards Bay. Bruce loves his music, so it's quite interesting to have him in the show. He's 21, he's still young, but why do I think Bruce Mr. Music is the serious contender for season 16? I feel like the guy looks ready. The guy looks like he's got everything worked out. His plans. It looks like he's got a plan for this season. The guy is 21-year-old, but it looks like the guy is coming with a plan. Let me tell you why. The guy looks ready. That's number one. He looks ready. I mean, apparently he was the first in a queue to audition in Durban. Imagine. So probably he was in a queue for roughly 24 hours because you wait, because so many people go to idols auditions. Everyone want to make it, so people go there very early. Social grant, post office. Yeah, Bruce Mr. Music did exactly that. You sleep there, you wake up there, you queue there, you audition there, and you go through, you get a golden ticket. So I feel like Bruce Mr. Music is ready. I mean, he's already well branded. He's already calling himself Bruce Mr. Music. I know Randall had an issue with the name Mr. Music. It's too long, but I feel like it is catchy. It's a little long, but it's not forgettable. It's Bruce Mr. Music. I feel like this guy has everything. He looks ready. He looks ready. So why can't he go and win it? Number two, I feel like he's a full package. The reason I feel like he's a full package is because uyacula, uyadansa, and he smiles. He looks like he enjoys his music. Guys, if I am the only person that feels like Bruce Mr. Music is a serious contender for season 16, please tell me down below. Comment down below. Leave your comment and tell me what you think about Bruce Mr. Music, because I feel like the guy has got everything that can make him a winner this season. He also has a great smile. If you have a great smile in this kind of competition, usually people warm up to you. People always like people who smile, who have a personality, and Bruce has personality, and you cannot take it away from him. So we with a great smile, that personality, we are jive, we are cooler, and he sings very well. We are dancer. He feels his music. I feel like this guy is ready to win this competition. And I feel like if he can keep his smile on for the entire competition, this guy uzoti jam ahambela phezulu. I feel like Bruce Mr. Music will win this competition if he can do everything that he's done so far, because if you check all his auditions, I don't see any problem. I don't see any weakness. I see a guy who's ready. He's ready. He's got everything planned. He's already well branded. Like I said, his vocal range is sick. I mean, there's a song which he sang and he did some falsetto, and I felt like, whoa. And another thing is the fact that he's got timing. Una order. When in music want order and timing. If you got order and timing, you're going to go far, because it means you're going to do things at the right time. Falsetto, yodeling, all these things, vibratos. Those are the things that makes a musician a full package. Like Bruce Mr. Music, he's got all those things. So the fact that he doesn't overdo things, I feel like it puts him nicely in a right position to surprise us every week. I feel like we're going to get surprised by Bruce, because we're gonna hear a lot of new things every week. Because I felt like when I listened to him, this guy has a lot of things that he could do, but he's just like building up momentum. You know how Idols is won? You start like this. Most guys who won idols, they didn't start high. You know, they were not. Some of them were not even fan favorites during first stages, first rounds of auditions. But then they popped up somewhere in theater week, and then top 16. They become visible. Now we see them. You know, so he's a serious contender. I feel like he's a serious threat. Well, there's so many great singers there. There's so many great singers. The question is, are they likable? Because it's not about singing. It's not about whether you have a great voice. Idols is another strange competition. Idols is a strange competition because it's no longer even about your voice. It's about whether people like you or not. You can have a great voice and everything, but then find people don't like you. And I feel like Bruce is likable. He's got all those things, those small ingredients that would make someone, you know, to die for, you know. I feel like people are going to vote will have no choice but to always vote for Bruce Mr. Music. So that's my 2 cents contribution with regard to Bruce Mr. Music, and I feel like he's a serious contender for season 16. So watch out for Bruce Mr. Music. I just hope he doesn't drop the ball and he can continue doing his thing the way he does. He mustn't be scared. He mustn't be intimidated by anybody. If he can continue like that with that kind of confidence, and he's going far. He's going to win this thing. Bruce Mr. Music. Remember that name, Bruce Mr. Music. Like Remina, ek is dors. Kitsulikile yoro. Amte sinto toro. Salut. Mga titumel.